Love and dignity in a bottle. Your skin deserves the best care. The best investment a woman can give is in herself. Multi-peptide fullerene, anti-aging series. The best foundation you can wear is healthy glowing skin. Healthy glowing skin is not an overnight process. 5 in total solution: moisture, radiate, firmness, tighten pores, skin texture. Healthier skin after day by day. Activated cell regeneration technology to rejuvenate and restore beautiful skin. Love Wires 2, anti-aging essence for activated cell regeneration, reshape, age reversal, repair damaged cell, promote metabolism, make cell healthier. Best things comes in pair. Your beauty, our duty. Remember to love yourself.